you can just attach it with the zipper that it comes with, and it's very easy to do. You just want to push it through the zipper and just go all the way around, all the way down to that corner until it's completely zipped up. We're almost done. Once it's fully inflated, you're going to want to arrange the legs, make sure it's centered and very stable. And you're going to want to use the stakes that the kit comes with to secure every single leg. So let's go ahead and do that, get that nice and secured. And yeah, that'll be it.